And what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is HOOTMONEY here with another video for you guys today. Today, we are going to be going over Marin software, or MRIN, which is another one of our favorites on this channel. Now, I don't personally own any MRIN. I've just been watching this one, following the short interest on this one, because this one has definitely seen a little bit of a short squeeze. And by a little bit, a lot of it, because there's over 190% short interest on MRIN or Marin software, whatever you want to call it, and that's just, I don't know how to fathom that. And it's been rallying, it's been running, it's been blowing my mind each and every day, just going up like another 30% some days. And while the run on this one is not going to last forever, and I don't see it retaining these price levels forever, it's pretty remarkable what's going on. So I wanted to cover it. I wanted to give another update today on it, because I know a lot of you guys are shareholders of MRIN. And while I do think it's extremely risky, I'm not going to own any myself. I'm going to cover it for you guys. So if that doesn't deserve an early like on the video, I don't know what does. And anyways, guys, if you would like to join our community, sign up for the Discord using the links in the description or in the pinned comment section. It's a great community. We talk about stocks each and every day. Talk about Workhorse, talk about Marin software, MRIN, whatever you guys want. We talk about cryptocurrency, just the overall stock market. So it's a great community. Use those links below. You can also find the links to sign up for Public, where you get up to $70 in free stock as long as you deposit $1. And they're basically my sponsor on this channel, so the best way to support me is to sign up for Public. Anyways, guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, guys, so you guys can see Marin software, or MRIN, is up 12% on the day. It had a nice run in the pre-market, up 33% in pre-market, then really just sold off as soon as 9:30 hit, which is unlike this stock, because usually when it's up in the pre-market, that'll cause short sellers to basically, I guess, lose money and cover. However, that was not the case today. We did see a sell-off. Now, I wanted to take a look at a few other charts, not just Robinhood, this one. You can see it's basically only gone up, and it's used this 25 EMA as support multiple times on this run up, and it just continues to run up. There's been minor sell-offs, minor profit taking, but the RSI down here, you guys can see the RSI has basically stayed at an overbought territory. There's been plenty of buying on this stock. One thing to take note of is the volume has been declining, which can definitely be a little bit of a risk, considering that during the run up there was a lot of more volume. We might still see volume spikes. However, volume is definitely down. If we go to extended hours, you can see that there's no real volume spikes in extended hours as well, which is when we saw the run up this morning. I guess I didn't notice that. When I saw that run up, there wasn't really too much volume. Anyways, we'll go to the Webull chart, take a look at this. What I like to do on this chart is basically just look at where these short sellers could have possibly made money. Now, I have to extend out this chart to here, because there was actually a different point where short sellers could have made money, which was on the wick of this candle. If you guys see, there's this wick right here. Short seller could have got in, not very likely, although there was a lot of volume on that candlestick. And yeah, I'm gonna have to move this down just a little bit, and you can see there's not too much opportunity for the short sellers to make money on this one. If you'd like up to $70 in free stock just for signing up and depositing at least $1, use the links below to sign up for Public. Public is a stock investing application on your phone that is just the best application for trading stocks, because not only is it a full-time brokerage, you can buy, sell, invest, do whatever on Public. It's also social media, so you can follow people, you can follow me, follow your friends, see everyone's portfolios, because they're all public. And yeah, it's just really fun to use. Sometimes they bring on CEOs, such as the CEO of DraftKings recently, so you can actually ask them questions. They do a town hall, kind of like an Ask Me Anything that you'd see on Reddit or something like that. They'll do that with CEOs on the Public platform. So it's really awesome. I would invest in them if I could. If they were a publicly traded company, I would definitely invest in them. Much better than Robinhood. They don't do any payment for order flow. They don't sell your trading data. They rely off of your tips as a customer alone, which shows that they're going to give you the best customer service. Just like a waitress or a waiter will give you the best service at a restaurant because they want a tip. So, same concept there with Public. Great investing platform. I highly recommend you guys sign up below. And they're giving you $70 in free stock for signing up and depositing at least $1. So, basically free money. Check it out. Links in the description or in the pinned comment section. And with all that being said, let's get back into the video. There was all of this price action. People were shorting. Over 100% interest, short interest at this point. People continued to short. Short interest has gone up almost every single day. Continue to short, and there's been very minimal amounts of time for people to really cover their short positions. If I turn off extended trading hours, you can see even less points where there was able to really just cover this position. It was only in like as soon as market opened today where they really got a chance to cover, but I mean, shorts are in a really bad position for Marin Software. As you guys can see, there's 193% short interest, which is absolutely ridiculous. And you can see that the returned and borrowed shares are both at around 500K on today. And if we take a look at the float, it's only 9.86 million. So that's about 5% of the float has been returned and reborrowed. They're definitely raising that cost basis. Some of the old paper-handed shorts got sorted out today with that jump, but there were also people who loaded on today as well, another 5% short interest, so flip-flop. Anyways, guys, the utilization 100%. It's extremely expensive to short this stock with an average cost to borrow of 350% for the year. So the longer that MRIN retains these price levels, the better off it is, because they're paying such an absurd amount of money to short this stock. And yeah, it's crazy stuff. And if we just take a look at this chart of the short interest, it's honestly insane. So as soon as we got the news of Marin Software partnering with Instacart, short interest goes up to what looks like now is a measly 30%. 30% is nothing, especially if these shorts that got in on this day haven't covered. They're down a lot right now. And then the next day, 17%, but then it just shoots up like crazy, guys. The next day we go up to 99% short interest. Then we go up to 121%, and now that people are starting to call this the next GameStop, then it doesn't stop. We go up to 156%. Now this is just the new normal of us just jumping in short interest each and every single day. Then we go up to 186%. Then we go up to 195%. Now, as of today, we're at a plateau. 193%, and short interest is actually down on the day. The first day that Marin Software has been down on short interest. Now, is this the start of the short squeeze? If short interest goes down, if we reach the plateau, shorts no longer want to continue to pile on and short, or they just can't short. That's another thing. Like, they might not be able to even find shares to short. They'll have to do naked shorting, lots of weird stuff. And guys, this literally just happened in front of my face. Down 5%. These are the live changes. So we went down from 193% to 185%. Now, could this be the start of a Marin Software squeeze? Another 300,000 shares were just delivered as of today. So shorts are definitely taking advantage of this small dip here. We can see that some more shorts are covering. People are down. I mean, we are up on the day. Anyone who got in on Friday, they're down today. Very important. And it's honestly just crazy what's going on with Marin Software. Yes, I don't think they're going to keep these levels. I think eventually the prices will go down. However, with such a low float, such a low market cap, it really doesn't take too many buyers to push this thing up. And there's almost 200% short interest, which is going down as of today. We're down 5% on the live short interest, which changed as we made this video, which was really cool. So we can see shorts are covering on this dip. So I don't know. I'm not going to tell you guys to buy this stock. I don't buy it personally. However, it's very, very interesting, and I'd only buy it with gamble money because it's just so volatile. It's such huge swings. It's up, it's down, it's up, it's down. Although it's been going up constantly, consistently. We've been seeing that price movement go up. It doesn't mean that history will repeat itself and this is just going to infinitely print you money. Eventually, it's going to plateau. We saw that today was a plateau in short interest. So short interest went down for the first day on this stock in over a week, which is pretty interesting. So shorts are not continuing to short because it's probably just getting way too expensive for them. So they're in a really bad position if you're a short seller, because we saw only little tiny box were shorts able to make profit on shorting this stock. And then when it comes to cost to borrow, they're paying hand over fist for this stock to short it. So it's just not looking good. I wouldn't short this stock either. I wouldn't do anything. I would just follow it like I am because it's very interesting and shows just the crazy nature of shorting in this market. So anyways, guys, Marin software, there you go. That's the update. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Always remember, join that Discord. Link is in the description or in the pinned comment section, along with that link to sign up for public, where you get up to $70 in free stock just for signing up and depositing at least $1. Guys, that's about it for the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Peace.